Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this daisy bouquet. If you are new to my channel, I'm sharing crocheting ideas every week. Please subscribe and turn on notification. Now let's begin. Here the flower stem is about 30 cm long and the flower is about 7 cm wide. These are the materials we will be using. We will start from the yellow flower heart and create a circle. Then we will work 6 single crochet. If you are a beginner, you can mark the first stitch. Now we will continue to work 5 more single crochet. Now we have 6 single crochet. We will then close the circle. We will pull over the tail and find the moving yarn. Now we will pull over the moving yarn to close the circle. Finally, we will pull over the tail again. In this way, the circle will be much more tight than a normal magic ring. Now we will join with the first stitch using a slip stitch. Here we can pull over the yarn to minimize the slip stitch, because in the future we won't work in this stitch. Now we will chain 1 to start round 2, and this chain doesn't count as a stitch. In round 2, we will increase 3 stitches. We will firstly work 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet in the second space. We will repeat this 3 times. By the end of this round, we will have 9 stitches. Now we come to the end. We will join with the first stitch using a slip stitch. We will chain 1 to start round 3. In round 3, in first 2 spaces, we will work 1 single crochet in each space. Then in the third space, we will work 2 single crochet. And we will repeat 3 times to increase 3 single crochet. By the end of this round, we will have 12 single crochet. Now we come to the end again. We will still join with the first space using a slip stitch. Here we can cut off the yarn. So this will be our flower heart. Now we will repeat to crochet a green one as the flower towels. Now we will start to work petals. Here I'm using purple yarn and start with a slip knot. Use white yarn if you want a white daisy. Now we will join 2 parts and the purple yarn together. You can join from any position, or like me, to join with the stitch near each tile. Then we will work 6 chains. Here we need to find the second space from the hook and work one single crochet. Then we will work one half double crochet in each of the next 3 spaces. In the last space of the petal, we will work one single crochet. Now we will join with the yellow heart in the next space with a slip stitch. Remember also to hide the purple tail. Here we didn't cut off any tail because in the end we can use them as stuffing. So now we have our first petal. We will repeat this 9 more times because we need to put in all the stuffings and the flower stem. After that, we can finish all the petals. Now we need to put in our stem. We can fold the end a little bit. You can also use pliers here. Here we will put in all the tails as stuffing. Here we just continue to finish all the 12 petals. Now we come to the end. We will join with the first stitch of the first petal using a slip stitch. Finally, we will cut off the yarn. All the petals will curl in a little. If you are happy, you can stop here. Otherwise, we can work chain stitches along the back of each petals to make the petals more straight. To do this, we will find the same yarn and work a slip knot. Basically, we will work chains from the back of each petal. These chains will be between the stitches on each petal, which are the single crochet, 3 half double crochet, and the single crochet. So now we will turn to the back of the flower and find the space between each petal and the flower heart. Here we will join the purple yarn to work the chain stitches. We can stretch the petal a little bit to find each position. From here, we will chain back along the petal in same positions. The last chain is still in the space between the petal and the flower heart. So now we finished one petal. We can see the petal is much more straight. And we will move to the next petal to continue. Here we can also use markers to help you find each position. If you are using white yarn, the petal should look like this. Now we can cut off the yarn. Here we need to find a yarn needle to hide all the tails, and done!